service to which the ordinary citizen of ordinary means can have access in those rare emergencies when he or she needs it.
But there's one
long way to go to get there, and there's a great respect, don't always help to make it less
There's one more thing the Lord
and quicker.
Chancellor could do today, and that's to commit to share the impact assessment he's done with the National Audit Office. There is enormous concern, a study, for example, by King's College London, which shows that this attempt to reduce costs won't work. Right. What we're going to do is move costs from the Ministry of Justice to other parts of the government.
Last point, you have nothing to fear. The money will still flow to the legal profession as before. I can't understand why all these emails are bombarding the House of Lords saying that the end is nigh unless they pass some very expensive amendments. We're just getting back to common sense in the reforms we're making. I'd like to go further in the long run because I still don't know why we're spending so much, but I do agree with the point. Next thing to move to is the reform of the courts. A great deal has been done by the judges themselves.
What you're not going to do is costs.
It's still not ready access for the ordinary member of the public in resolving disputes.
Ken Clarke and Des Hudson, thank you very much indeed.
And calming weather.
Thanks, John. Well, we have had plenty of rain, welcome rain in fact, for the areas that need it most across South East.
Yeah, it was raining a lot yesterday. That was Ken Clarke, who's the Minister for the Secretary of State for Justice, and he's talking about cutting the legal aid bill. I'm laughing because I've been to some of these court hearings down at the Magistrates Court and all that, and he's talking about the family courts. And then they had some lawyer type, I don't know who it was, saying, you can't reform the system, you're gonna disadvantage women and children and the impoverished and the poor people who need all this legal aid. It's still windy outside. Well, that was windy included. Anyway, Ken Clarke pipes up, which I thought was funny. So we ain't depriving no women and children, it's the lawyers we're cutting the funding of. Apparently, Ken Clarke was saying, we pay about 6 times as much in legal aid in this country as they do in other countries in Europe, like. The only other next nearest country to us pays less than half of us, and that's New Zealand. Yeah. We pay something like 38 pounds per person for legal aid in the old UK, and then in Europe it's more like £6 or £8 per person. So, anyway, I certainly agree that lawyers I know what these lawyers are like. I've used these lawyers. They're blooming leeches. Lawyers are leeches, I'll tell you what, they're money grabbing. You see their offices, they're all nice and shiny. They're always building big new offices on industrial estates and things. Where do they get that money from? Probably from the legal aid budget. Anyway, they'll rip you off, I'll tell you that. Anyway, bye for now.